How to remove account from Instagram or how to log out and remove your account from Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove an account on Instagram. Now, even if you log out from your Insta account, your saved profile will still show up in the login page, right? However, if you wish to remove that, then here is how you can do it. First, you can open up Instagram and log out. To log out, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to scroll down all the way below and you want to tap on log out of all accounts, and then you want to log out. Once you're logged out, you'll be able to see the list of profiles that is saved on your device. Now from here, simply tap on the settings or the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen, and you can see manage profiles option. Below it, you'll see a saved profiles. Tap on the particular account and then tap on remove profile and it'll get removed. You can do so on other accounts as well and they'll get removed. So this way you can remove an account from Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.